So you guys, I am here. I know I'm looking rusty, dusty, crusty, but never musty. Yeah, I know I'm looking kind of rough, but that's just because today's video will be like a cleaning and organizing video, you know, of my little body care hygiene collection. It's not much, but I feel like everything is like all over the place and I wanted to, you know, get everything organized. So I said, why not show you guys? So let me show you guys what we're working with, okay? All right, so I have this little shelf thingy right here with like a bunch of products, but I want to like get this situated and organized because of these right here, things keep falling off. So I need to get that organized. I need to get my countertop organized. I got this steamer, you know, just need to get everything a little more, you know, just needs to get everything flowing a little bit better. Yeah, I have these here that I need to figure out what I need to do with them. I got this box that I found in my garage that I want to do something with, maybe store some items, and I just need to clean. Like the mirror is dirty as hell, so I just need to get everything clean and organized. This is what we're working with. We got like body scrubs and, you know, all our tools that we use to clean our body. Over here I have this little corner with some of my favorite body scrubs and body washes and all that jazz that I'm using right now. So that is what we're working with, and we need to get this shower cleaned. I am also working with this closet. Now this is where I actually want to get everything organized and stored, but I need to, like, you know, let it flow better. Everything is just like falling over right now. And yeah, I have down here, I have some extra bath mats, some towels that I need to figure out where to put those. I got that box down there. I got a bunch of empties. I want to make a video soon. And then up here is just a bunch of like extra bath mats, sheets, blankets, and all of that type of stuff that I need to get out because most of these are new. We're not using them right now, so I probably might get them in the garage so I could have this space. So yeah, guys. You guys, it was just spring here going on to summer. Look what I came outside to. We are in Walmart and I'm searching for that shower caddy, but I'm not seeing. Oh, so we do have this one, but this is more like for just straight on the wall and not like the corner thingy. I really was searching for that one that you could put in the corner. I really wanted the corner one like I have now, but they don't have it. They only have this one, and I was thinking about getting like a soap thingy so I could put my soap in, because where I have it now in the shower, it just keeps falling off. I might put it in my cart for now, and then I'm gonna see if I want that one. Still not sure, because I do like the corner one. I think it works with my bathroom because my bathroom is kind of small inside a shower, and I didn't want to take up too much space. That corner one, it fits perfectly. I actually found that in the thrift store. I'm gonna search on Amazon while I'm in here, and if I see it on Amazon, I'll just order one. If not, I'm gonna just get this one. I mean, Amazon do have others, but they are like so expensive that I don't really want to buy that. Let me show you guys my cart. This is in my cart right now. I got the shower stuff. I went and I found a tree hut. This is the Moroccan Rose. I found this in the clearance section. Also found these. I think these are 75 cents. And of course I had to grab the Ariana Grande cloud perfume. They only had one left and I'm obsessed. And I have this so I could light up the closet in the bathroom where I'm gonna put all my stuff. So that is my card. I did not plan to like do any shopping hygiene products, but I couldn't leave those behind. Home from Walmart finally, and I did get some footage in there to show you guys me picking up a few stuff. Like, I didn't really go to like Hygiene shop, as I said. I just went to grab some stuff for the shower, for organization, and some stuff to clean the bathroom. I did go end up in the Hygiene haul just because on my way there I did check online, and they had like the Moroccan Rose tree hut scrub in stock. So I don't have that one, so I grabbed it and I kind of like held my head straight, did not go through the Hygiene, like that walkthrough. I just walked all the way around and grabbed the tree hut from the bag. Here are the bags. So I ended up picking up this shower caddy. I really want that one that like shaped like a triangle that goes in the corner, but they didn't have any in stock. And when I looked online on Amazon, one of those was like $18 for the plastic one like this, and I was like, nope, I'm not buying it. This one was like $5 something. Also grabbed a soap caddy. This is how it looks. I thought it was a soap caddy, but now looking at it, it's not necessarily like specifically for a soap, because it does have like a little piece right here. Like, let me take it out of this. So you can see it got like a little extra piece, like a spot right here, and then this big part. But I picked this up because I was thinking I could put some of my soaps in there, because I have my soap right now in the tub on a ledge, and it keeps, when it gets wet, it falls off. So I'm gonna use that for that. And then I just picked this up to, you know, clean the shower and stuff. And then I also grabbed this light. So it's a pack of 2. It was like $3 something, almost $4. So it was really cheap. I plan to put this in the this closet behind me, so you know I could press it and light up in there when I want to go in there for my bad products. And then I did grab another tree hut scrub. I also grabbed 2 more Bodycology hand soaps, and these are spiced pumpkin. I am not a pumpkin girl, but these smell pretty good, so I grabbed these. These were on sale for 74 cents, so I just grabbed them. And then my most exciting buy, I ended up picking up this. This is the Ariana Grande Cloud perfume. You guys saw my last vlog, I talked about it, and I regret that I didn't pick it up, because using the body mist, oh my god, I fell in love with this scent. So I had to just grab this, and when I went, it was only one that was on the shelf, so of course I grabbed it. I'm not sure if I'm going to open it yet, or I might open it, I don't know, because I did tell everyone that I wanted, this was on my birthday wish list, and so I don't know if anybody bought it for me, but if they bought it, probably might just like keep both or return one, I don't know. But I had to pick it up, and it was like $25. So that was all the stuff that I got. So now we're gonna like try to clean, take everything out the shower, and like get my life together. This bathroom needs to get together, y'all. Do all 3 of them like this? I don't know. your girl is tired. I am going to go take a bath and enjoy this beautiful shower, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.